Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Shaujanan English Medium School, Nathej at Punam. Today I am taking 7th standard SS. Our third chapter. The name of chapter is government. What is meaning the government? In this lesson, the expandly every functions and every rules and regulation will be come on this lesson. Okay, government. Every country need a government to make law एज अ पर अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. ओके, जो भी कंट्री है उसके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, लॉ, बुक ऑफ लॉ, उस तरीके से गवर्नमेंट विल बी अ टेकन द लॉज. ओके, टेक द डिसीजन एंड द इम्प्लीमेंट दैम. It work for the people. They have to taking the decision, and these decision they will be used for good work for that people, those who are living under of government. We must have to come across the word government is newspaper, radio and TV. Okay, we will hear every time in the news channel will be government doing this thing and this for the new rules and regulations, everything coming we heard in the newspaper, radio and TV. What is the government? What the function does it perform and what is the important in our life? क्या important है गवर्नमेंट का हमारी लाइफ में? बिकॉज they improved our life. Okay, government are improved for the citizens. We will study about the government in this lesson. We must be aware that a government country needs a government to make law as per its constitution. That decision and the employment them. Okay, government have to taking the decision for the law of constitution, and they taken the decision employment किसे नौकरी, कहाँ नौकरी देनी है, क्या करना है, किस तरह से काम करना है, देश की उन्नति किस तरह से होगी, किस तरह से हमारा इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा. एवरी द डिसीजन विल बी अ डूइंग फॉर आवर कंट्री. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे शुड स्कूल एंड द रोड्स टू कंस्ट्रक्टेड. द गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स विल बी मेकिंग बिकॉज द होल our country, those who are the poor people, they are not faced to the private schools, so compulsory the government school also making. Those from the government school they have to help the teachers, and all the functions will be completed by the government. And construction of the roads should be a rate of difference commodities to increase or a decrease. Commodities means here the asking about the pulses. Okay, commodities means grains, pulses, the everything is dependent from the agriculture. They will be increase or decrease. उसे बढ़ाना है, उसका भाव कम करना है, pulses का, grains का, जो भी agriculture को dependent है, the decision will be taken by the government. How to ensure that the electricity is a supply to everyone? Everyone to need the electricity. हमारे घर में सभी के यहाँ पे लाइट कंपलसरी चाहिए, तो that is how they have to supply the power. The work also depended up to the government. Okay, decisions such as they are usually taken by the government. Every decision we are living in our country, what the decision will be, it's good for our country and this is not good for our country. Every decision taken by the government, so it's too much important in our life. Government every government decision is a very important in our life. Thus the government perform a very important functions. We came to know about the government work through the media. Every information are not coming by the government office directly to us. This is through by the media we can know about what the work is doing by the government. Okay, read the headline of the newspaper. Make a list of the work done by the government. Okay, every day the newspaper will be come, so big headlines are there. You can make the list and you know which work done government of different understanding by the different function of government doing the work for our country. Now function of our of the government के क्या क्या functions है, in this paragraph we will be read. Functions of the government is like managing communities. Usually in the democracy the government work as a per the wishes of the people for their welfare. Means here is a managing communities. Okay, managing means they want to be a managed, and communities means a group of the people called minister. The minister will be a called the and make the management of the community. Okay, usually is a democracy, the government work as for the wishes of the people and for the welfare. Democracy, okay, system of the governance is which a people choose its government, means of the democracy. So the democracy government work for their peoples, फॉर देयर वेलफेयर, उनके लिए क्या भला है, पीपल्स के लिए क्या भला है, गवर्नमेंट डूइंग द वर्क फॉर द पीपल्स. ओके बेटा, the government also take various steps to solve the economic and social problem of the people. Government solve the people what the problems have to for the peoples in the citizens. People have a what's the problem, the government will be a solve and easy for the peoples, they will be a solve the problems. It is a concern about the nation's economic condition and the problem of poverty. Okay, जो गरीब, poverty means गरीब लोगों के लिए जो गरीबी, the poor peoples. Okay, so the government is doing the solve the economically problem those who are suffering from the poor peoples. The problem will be a reduce their burdens by the unemployment. Unemployment means jobless. Okay beta, literacy, health, etc. The government for doing for the poverty peoples. It also provides various facility like the making low price food grains. Government have to provide the food grains, means a ration card के ऊपर जो माल मिलता है, that is called a सस्ता ration, will be a provide by the government for the poor peoples. Okay, grains, food grains available through the ration shops. Assistance during disaster and the calamities. If the some disaster will be a come, so the government have to be a provide the poverty people or those who are the suffering from the disaster. Now everyone know the some disaster came in our life by the COVID-19 also, that is a disaster. So the government have to be provide some things for the poverty peoples. Establishing educational institution and the hospitals. Compulsory the given the 8th standard education, it's a primary, it's compulsory the government appear for the poor people, government by the government school, then the higher secondary. So the all the peoples those who are the poor, they have to be taken the education also, and the government hospitals, and run service like a transport, judiciary, post, telegram, railway. These are the facility for the all the peoples, means transportations, judiciary, post and telegram, railways, all are doing this thing by the government. The government also maintain friendly relation with the another countries also, because nearby our countries, the that is the government job, they will be a maintain the good relation with the another countries those who are nearby our country. Importance of government. Government का क्या importance है हमारी life में? Okay, the government is necessary to ensure that the law is the same for everyone. First of all, the law, यानी कानून सबके लिए बराबर है. That is the coming in the government importance कि सबके लिए कानून बराबर है कि नहीं. Everyone, those who are the poor, so the कानून of different law of them, and those who are the rich, they have a difference. No, the everyone, the ensure of the laws are same in our country. It's a farms law and the scenes that are implemented by the concerned authority and the police. They are a concerned authority, means जो काम जिस डिपार्टमेंट में है रेगुलरली they will be doing or not, and the police also, means if the income tax rate, they will be doing what the work of them or not, and if the any bank have a some problems are that is coming in the government authority. Okay beta, a very important function of the government is to make rules and regulations whenever there the public gathered. Okay, there is the public will be gathered, that rules and regulations will be follow or not. That means in the fair also, first they want to be taken the permission from the government if the fair is held. Okay, and any religions festivals will be there. First they want to be taking the permission from the government, so they will be a full security or whatever they have to be see the rules and regulation will be a follow or not. So now the COVID-19 also the asking about the social distancing and the putting the mask also, and don't go anywhere with, do not have to gather to everyone because about the COVID, that is given the instruction by the government. So every day, every maintenance are by the governments. The government just play a vital role in the maintain law order and the peace. Okay, गवर्नमेंट की थ्रू हर चीज़ मेंटेन होती है, लो बराबर चल रहा है नहीं, ऑर्डर चल रहा है कि नहीं, शांति बनी हुई है कि नहीं, एवरीथिंग इन द इंश्योर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द नेशन, आवर नेशंस एवरी विल बी अ make the maintaining by the law, that is the main importance of the government. Arrange the discussion in the classroom. Okay, it is possible to administration the country without the government, yes or no? No, it is not a possible without government. Anything will be a any country will be a administrator. No, it is not possible because government do a very hard work about the people welfare. Mention any two decision taken by the government. Did you like those or decision? Which decision you doesn't like, you will be given the answer and why. So, but our the government is doing very hard work for our country. How is the country administration? Our country administration going to be smoothly because in our country have a road constructions, hospitals, primary educations, government hospital also. So they have to be administrate everything for our country. Okay. Now the government at different level, how much levels are there for the governments? In this paragraph we will start it. Okay, the government at a different level, there are a three level, they have to distribute into the three level because the nation, whole our nation are not possible to going to everywhere and they have to be solve the problem and they given the jobs and they give reducing the farmers problem. It's not possible, the nation government have to be a completed all thing. So that is a departed of the three level. The government is responsible for the providing various facility in the different field. Okay, every field they have to be given the facility, but from the nation they have to be a completed all the program, is it not possible. So they have to be a departed of the in the level. How does the government arrange for the all this? India is a vast country. Our country is too much huge because we have a 30 or 30 states are there. So not possible to, we will be a government have to be a participate to everyone. So they have to be a distribute into the three parts. If the administration was a centralized, many problem would arise and will the cause in confidence to be the citizen will be a inconscious. Means it's a too much difficulty for the personal requirement contact. It's not it's uncomfortable troubles are there possibility. So the government have to be distribute these things into the level wise. First therefore our government makes at a different level means a local level, state level and nation level. Three level they have to be a distribute our work, what the work government is doing for the different welfares. Okay, now local level, government is concerned with the affair of the village and the cities. This is a local level, they have to be a distribute. And second was the state level, means in the whole our state we are living in the Gujarat, so whatever the government will be done for the Gujarat, that is coming into the state level. And the national level means from the all the states what the work for this is called the nation levels. Okay, the three type of the they have to be distributed. Local level government is concerned with the welfare of the village and the cities. State level government deal with the matter at the state level by the government at the national, and the national level is responsible for the work related to the entire nation. Okay, That means first is a local level. In our town, in our village, whatever the work want to done, directly the national level come and the completed this work, it's not possible. So local level means our Nagar Palika, our local MLA and whatever, they have to complete the work for our town or our city. That means road making, the drain water will be going from the out of the town, the poor poverty people will be provide the jobs, and they want to be given the sasta ration and whatever. It's a local level, everything is come. The in the government hospital, the birth, born, death, all the records will be putting in the government, in the Nagar Palika. That's called a local level. Now the state level. The state level will be a function about which state have in the state where we want to be require the hospital, where we want to require the highway, we want to making the water supplyment, and that is all the things depend on to the state level. And the nation level, at last, in the whole world, in our country, what the things we want to appear, what we want to do for our country best, that is every work done by the national level. Okay, to related the entire nation, you will be already study about the local level and will be a learn, that is local level in the Nagar Palika we was learn into the standard 6. So already you will be a, you was a learn. Okay, learn about the state government in the next unit. It is the next class. You will be a learn about the national government. Example, the central government, union government. That is, you will be a more information will be a coming into the next level. The government and the law. What the laws are there, and government will be doing for the how the maintaining the our country. Okay, everybody has to follow the law made by the government. Means government made the law, everyone we are also following for the law, because we know now the new law also come. We want to wear the mask compulsory. If we are not wear the mask compulsory, we will be punished. That means we will be penalized, we will be given the fine. That is given by the government. अगर किसी ने आके हमें बोला कि तुम्हें ये देना है फाइन, तो हम नहीं देंगे. लेकिन अगर पुलिस बोलती है तो we will be given, because that is show by that rules and regulations show by the government. So everybody to following the law made by the government. The government can function only with the help of the law or order. Whatever they will be given the functions by the law and orders. Okay, the government has power to make as well as employment law. The government can panels the lawbreaker or many send them to the jail. कभी कभी ऐसे होता है बेटा कि we will be taken, अगर हमने कुछ law तोड़ा है तो sometime we will be about the punish, we will be fine. Okay, कि भाई तुम्हारा इतना डन है, तुम्हें देना है. Otherwise if you are doing the more the crime, we will be going into the jail. That is, everything is given the instruction by the government authority to make as the employment laws. Okay, for the examples are there. You must have the ticket while the traveling by the train. By the train, if you are the caught traveling without any ticket, you have to either pay the penalty or go to jail. जैसे हमें टिकट लेनी है ट्रेन में ट्रैवलिंग करने के लिए, बिकॉज दैट इज पेइंग बाय द वी विल पे टिकट, टेकिंग द टिकट एंड गोइंग इन द ट्रेन, एंड दैट इज बाय द गवर्नमेंट. ओके, सो यू आर नॉट परचेस टिकट एंड समवन इज कॉच यू, मीन्स टीसी ने पकड़ लिया, so he was taken the penalty from you. Otherwise, if you are not paying the penalty, you say, okay, we have no money, so you will be going to the jail. Now the mask also, if you are not wearing, so you will be given the 500 or 200 and 100 will be punished. Otherwise it's strictly possibility they will be putting in the jail also. Okay, every through the government may work lawfully in a case citizen felt that the law or not being the strictly properly, they have the rights to raise their voice or even go to the court. The court can order the government to make the appropriate measures. If somewhere is we will be a feel कि organization that function will be a that is not good for me, us. So the government also given one opportunity to you also. If it's not good for you, you are be thinking this is not right, so you will be making your voice, and you will be go to the court and applicated to the government by this thing is not good for me, and you will be punished for me, and it's not possible. So you will given your side, and you will be taken the opportunity from the court, and taken the decision by the it. Why can one not use loudspeaker in the public place after the 10 o'clock in the at the night? We are not using after 10 o'clock loudspeaker publicly, because that is given by the government rule. After 10 o'clock you are not using the loudspeaker, because the few people, those who want the night is for the sleeping and the resting, but sometimes someone is a loudspeaker will be loudly they have to start it, so another people have to suffering the difficulties. That's why the government given the this thing, these rules. Okay, after 10 o'clock you are not start the speaker. So about the government will be a mention. Why can one not burst cracker on the road? Because they have to be a polluted the our roads. That's why it's not given the permission. That is coming into the government rule. What would happen if there was no timetable in the school? Okay, if the timetable is not available in the school, so what happened? You will be huge bag going with the school. You are suffering from many problems if the school timetable is not. So you. School timetable should be then means in the morning 7:30 you will be reach at the school. If the timetable is not there, someone is coming in 9 o'clock, someone is coming in 10 o'clock. So the timetables and the rules and regulation making in happen to everyone. Okay, why are law performed? Why is law formed? Okay, law क्यों जरूरी है? For the good administration of a nation, it's a good for our nation if the law is following. Okay, law are the must, is वो जरूरी है, because it's too much must in the law are performing in our life. Government cannot carry the administration without law. Without law there is a peaceless. Okay, we will be a peacelessness. हमारा सुकून खत्म हो जाएगा if the government is not provide any laws. Okay, and the problems will be coming in for our nation. There would be a great killings, and the rounds of the robberies will be started if the law will be not performing. Might the night will be made to be about the peace, maintain laws, orders, protect people rights, freedom, everything will be completed if the law are not formed in their life, because our security will be a progress of a nation, and law will be a necessary. We want to be a essential, is a necessary in our life, because that is too much. ये word है ना कि ये बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए. If the laws are not there, so lots of problem create for our life. So it's a very framed of our life. The law will be a ये हमारी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज मेंटेन बाय द लॉ. Our chapter we will be stop here, and the organs of the government we will be started in the next lecture. So better stay at your home, be happy and enjoy your life. Goodbye.